Focus invite. Invite tayo. Hello. And ganyan. Thank you. Looks like the live. Oh, just so much. So, pag i-follow na lang kita, Season. I-follow ko na lang si Season rin kaya para dumami ang ating following at saka followers at saka Frex, no? Nag-like dyan si Frex. Maraming salamat, Frex. Sa pagla-like nyo dyan. Thank you so much.